Good morning, everyone. My name is Kate Biona Miranda, and now this is my report about mathematics in the modern world. Now let's begin. This is our learning objective. First is define the meaning and importance of mathematics and explain its role in everyday life. Second is identify arithmetic and geometric sequence based on their pattern and formulas. Third is solve simple problem involving arithmetic and geometric sequence using the appropriate formulas. And next, what is the important and definitions of mathematics? Mathematics is study of number, pattern, shape and quantities and relationship. It is a branch of knowledge that uses logic reasoning and problem solving to understand and explain how things work. Sinasabi lang naman dito is natutulungan tayo ng math na masolusyonan ng ating pang-araw-araw na problema at makagawa tayo ng tamang calculations. And next, what is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is a pattern of number where you add or subtract the same number each time to get the next term. Sa arithmetic ay nag-a-add o nagsasubtract tayo ng parehong number each time para malaman natin kung ano yung susunod na number. And this is our formula. And this is the example. And now let's try to answer the number 1. Find the 10th term of arithmetic sequence. And now let's begin na try natin sagutan yung number 1 sa example sa arithmetic sequence. And para hindi tayo malito is susulatin natin yung formula. And the formula is F formula, and ang formula is AN equals A1 plus N minus 1 parenthesis D. And this is ito yung formula natin sa arithmetic sequence. And para hindi tayo masyadong malito and makalimot, sulat na lang natin yung mga dito. Kailangan natin kuwain. Yan. And sa AN is kukunin natin kung pang ilan yung term na hinahanap niya, which is 10. Diba? And sa A1, ito yung first term. Kukunin natin yung first term doon sa example, which is 3 siya. And yung N is kung ano yung posisyon o pang ilan yung term na hinahanap, which is 10. Parang same lang siya nitong AN. And yung D, yung amount sa pagitan nila, which is kapag yung 3 nag-add ka ng 4, magiging 7 siya. Yung 7, pag nag-add ka ng 4, is magiging 11. Kaya, sa pagitan nilang 3 and 7 is 4. Lagyan natin dito 4. And now, let's begin. Yung AN, papalitan na natin siya nito. Number 10. And equals, yung first term natin, ilalagay na natin siya dito, which is 3. 3 siya, diba? Ito guys, 3. And plus, and parenthesis. yung n natin, yung n is 10. Kaya 10 minus 1. Parenthesis. Yung d natin is number 4. Yan. Ayun na yung pagkakaayos niya. And now, let's start. Equals. Uunahin natin laging isolve yung may nasa loob ng parenthesis. Kaya, i-bring down muna natin tong 3. Plus, and solve natin to, 10 minus 1 equals 9. And bring down 4. And third is, pagmumultiply natin tong dalawa, guys. And bali, i-bring down muna natin yung 3. Plus, pag-multiply natin to is, ang sagot? 36. Yan na, guys. Yun na yung. Tapos, ang next is, pag-a-add natin to, 3 plus 36 is 39. Bali, baba natin to, guys. Dahil eto na yung final na sagot. Ayan na yung sagot natin sa number 1 dun sa explanation sa arithmetic sequence. Ang next naman natin is, what is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence is a pattern of number where you multiply or divide by the same number each time to get the next term. Kung sa arithmetic ay nag-a-add o nagsusubtract tayo para malaman yung susunod na number o yung term na hinahanap. Sa geometric naman ay nagmumultiply or nagde-divide tayo para naman malaman natin kung ano yung susunod na term o numbers. And this is the formula of geometric sequence. And this is our example of geometric sequence. Find the 6 terms of geometric sequence. Now, let's try na sagutan uli natin yung number 1 sa example ng geometric sequence. And sabi ko nga, para hindi tayo nalilito, isulatin natin yung formula dito sa taas. And ang formula ng geometric sequence is AN equals A1 parenthesis R and 1n minus 1. And ayan yung formula natin ng geometric sequence. And sulatin natin yung mga kailangan nating hanapin dito. Yung R and yung N. Yan. Kailangan natin. Sa AN is, sabi ko nga, yung hahanapin mo dyan is kung ano yung term na hinahanap. So, ano ba yung term na hinahanap? Is 6 term. And yung A1 is kung ano yung first term. Ano ba yung first term doon? Is 2. And yung R, yung common ratio o yung number na kapag minultiply sa kanya ay yung sagot. Kaya, ang sagot, ang ano dyan is 3. Kunyari, 3 times 2 is 6. Diba? Kaya 3 yung dito. And yung N is kung pang ilan yung term na hinahanap, which is 6. 6. And now, let's proceed. Yung NA, papalitan na natin siya ng 6. 6. And equals yung first term dito na hinahanap is papalitan na natin ng 2 siya. And parenthesis, yung R is ito, papalitan na natin siya ng number 3. And yung And dito is papalitan natin siya ng 6 kasi 6 siya. Minus 1. Yan. Nakaayos na, diba guys? Equals. First, i-bring down muna natin itong 2 and itong 3. And itong exponent, i-solve natin. Bali, 6 minus 1 is 5. And equals, bring down ulit natin yung number 2. Lang guys. Number 2. And ang next is ipagmumultiply natin to sa sarili niya kasi with 5 yung nasa taas, bali 5 na beses mo siyang imumultiply sa sarili niya. Bali 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Bali ang sagot dyan is 243. Yan na siya guys. And next is, and 2 times 243 and ang magiging final answer natin is 486. And now let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is pattern in nature. A pattern in nature is a repeating or predictable arrangement found in nature. This pattern helps us understand how things grow, move, and exist in the environment. Ito lang naman yung mga shape or mga hugis na paulit-ulit nating nakikita sa ating environment o kalikasan. Yung katulad ng mga sunflower, ang mga alon, iba't ibang shape siya na nag-i-exist dito sa ating mundo. And yun lang guys, and thank you guys. Hopefully na meron kayong natutunan sa lesson na to and naintindihan nyo ko. Yun lang guys. Thank you.